all those data using dynamic baselines and intelligent event generation, we could feed those information to MSIM, event impact management, and also a service level management application if they have one, or a third party event management application other than EMC PLC.
Question
Sorry, sir.
looking at this diagram, if in case we would be shown to them service level management, third party event management, would that confuse your audience? Ano sir? Yung tanong ba?
Or service level third party. Considering na para bang ini-imply natin sa commercial existing service level management system, pwede natin ipag yung data. Not necessarily yung application natin.
Iniisip ko, yung model na yan, consistent with yung solutions architecture natin. Okay. Kasi dun sa solutions architecture ni Alvin, may pinakita ko yung original, yung first time na, may diagram na kanya element na third party management. Eh, siguro yung bahin na natin ang order.
Pwede mong gawin kasi yung maging consistent.
O, dun sa
Kasi pag ginawa natin consistent doon, papagaling natin yung